Commodities in focus. Metals, I think, are having a tough day as well. Manisha is here with the roundup. Manisha, morning.
Morning, and thank you for that, Prashant. As Nagaraj was also pointing out, that we are at support levels and further bearishness is what you can expect in many of these. So that's exactly what we are seeing as a trend as well. You know, April and May as months were amazing when it comes to metals. We saw prices decline in June, and July has been on a downward trajectory as well. And if you look at the last couple of weeks, it has been actually very sharp declines coming in. One is the US dollar has continued to strengthen, and that has been weighing on. And the other thing is, because the metal prices have not been able to make higher highs or hold on the higher side of the range, that has led to a lot of funds coming out with squaring their positions and profit taking as well, and that seems to be weighing onto the markets there. Apart from that, all the data that we have been reacting to has been on the weaker side. So whether it has been about the Chinese demand, which has been slowing, the economic data from China, whether it's the first quarter GDP numbers, home sales, retail data, investment, all of that came in on the weaker side. And the measures that China has also come out, markets are looking at that as very uneven and not structural. The US housing data, Japan factory activities numbers also have been weak. So not just China, but various other important economic data also have been on the weaker side, bringing the metal prices down from there. The inventories on LME and Shanghai have been building up, so much so that if you wanted the metals today, you would be getting it at discount vis-a-vis the next 3 months. So this is a backwardation that we're looking at in case of metal prices. So hiking inventories and the immediate physical demand on the lower side is the reason we are looking at most of these metal prices trading at a multi-month lows. Copper, which is also called the Dr. Copper, has seen a decline to a near 4-month lows. Gold is trading at a 2-week lows. Silver at 2.5-month lows. And steel rebar prices have been constantly declining. It's trading very close to its 7-year lows right now. And that trend basically continues for the other base metal prices also. So you have a 3 to 5-month lows coming in for zinc, aluminum, lead and nickel as well. I also want to show you this via a table where you can see the kind of declines that we have seen on a week-on-week and a month-on-month basis as well. And that will tell you on what kind of declines we've seen for many of these metals. So copper has seen 5.5% of a cut coming in into the last week itself. And we have seen 7.5% of a decline onto this one in last 1 month. Similar is the case for steel, aluminum, 2 to 4% decline on week. And on a monthly basis, we are down by 5 to 9%. And that trend continues for zinc, nickel, lead. 3 to 6% of a cut coming in last 1 week. And in the last 1 month, as I said, we've turned absolutely negative for many of these metal prices. So whether it's zinc, which is down 10%, or 7% of a cut coming in for nickel and lead in the last 1 month. What the markets will watch out now is the US GDP number second quarter that comes in today. And tomorrow is the PCE price index, and that would give you further direction.
Okay, thanks a lot for that.